Assalamu alaikum. This is Shazia Ahmed, lecturer at University of Sindh, Campus Ladkano in the Department of Computer Science. Today we learn about this subject Oracle SQL and week 11, lecture 2 and 3. Topic is display the data from multiple tables. These are the outline of this topic. Write select statement to access the data from more than one table. Second, using self join, natural join, inner join and outer join, you will retrieve the data from multiple tables. Then view data that is generally does not meet a join condition by using outer join. Then generate a Cartesian product of all rows from two or more tables. How to obtain the data from multiple tables? Simply, its answer is through joining. What is joining? Joining is a process of getting the data from the multiple table and result will be displayed into the single table. There are few types of joining: natural join, equi-join, non-equi-join, inner join, outer join and self-join. First of all we will discuss what is natural join. What is natural join? Natural join will be created by using few attributes. That natural join joins two tables based on same attribute name and data type, and the resulting table will be contain all the attributes of both table but keep only one copy of each column. Common column means it displays only common column data from both table, such as column 1 refers the primary key of the parent table and foreign key refers as a child table as a foreign key. The natural join class is based on all columns in two tables that have the same name. Means it must have same name. Repeated thing that must have same name, same data type, then it will be retrieve the data. It selects rows from two tables that have equal values in all matched column. Means if both tables have similar values like 1, 2, 3 and other table has 1, 2, 3 values is similar, that will be getted or retrieved from both table using natural join. If column having the same names but have different data types, then it will never return any value, it will return the error. So we have example and syntax. Here we have 1990 syntax, then modern syntax will be used. So first of all, what will be the syntax? You must write select column 1, column 2 and from the table 1 and then apply natural join, then table 2. Second query is select ename, job and department number from employee and join it into department table. Third query is to select ename, job name, job and department name from employee table and natural join department where department number is equal to 20. Means they are getting the data by using natural joining. And fourth query is to select ename, department name, department number from employee and based on department where employee ID is equal to department number is equal to department number. So we will do this practically by using Apex software. Here we have Oracle Database 11 G Express edition. We use this to log in our system, that is sys password login, then login through Apex environment. Okay, then go through the SQL workshop and select SQL command. Then write a query. Select ename, comma, job from employee and apply natural join on department table. So data will be retrieved based on natural join. These two columns will be retrieved. Okay, here we have retrieved the data that King is a president and other list will be displayed. Total 10 row will be returned from this query. Okay, then we try another query. Let's select ename, name, job and salary from employee, but we omit the writing this natural join. We use a where clause to represent the data based on this. Okay, we use where clause. The department, apply the department number is equal to department number. But we have here a conflict that how these column will be get the result. Both column has same data type and same name. So we use aliases for this. We retrieve using this EMP as a E and DMP as a D. So we use department D dot department number and equal to E dot department number. Then it reduce the complexes and retrieve the data. Okay, we used here aliases, so we retrieve the data using aliases that E dot ename and D E dot job and E dot salary. We modified the query that department number is equal to D name. Okay, run this query. Okay, remove the aliases. Okay, then use this. It will retrieve the job salary from department. Now we will be going to modify this query with where clause, but we rename it to the without using this. Okay, select E dot E name, D dot D name and department number. Then we select department number from employee table and we alias is used as alias E and department D and apply a where clause that department number is equal to employee department number. So it will return this table data. Then you can also retrieving the record with using class. In the natural join, use the using class to match only one column when more than one column matches. Only you can retrieve a specific column from the data. Don't use a table name or alias in referenced column. You can apply on a natural join because natural join and using classes are mutually exclusive. Here we have example that select ename means employee name, employee job, department, but retrieve the data from department table, the department location, department name from employee and join. It must be joined with department table and using the column that is department number. So here we retrieve, you can use this through Apex software. Then another query, select ename, employee name, the employee job, employee location, but use only on class. On class are also used in a natural join query. Then what is equijoin? Equijoin is such a join which perform against a join condition containing equality operator. They return the data on the equality using equality operator. It combines rows of one table's column associated with another column's table, which is based on the column's value or expressions. Here we have syntax and example that select column name from employee table 1 and separated by table 2, and then where class is applied, that column must be matched over here. Here we have a query. You can try this using Apex software. Then inner join. Inner join is a type of join that is similar to equi and non-equi join, but it is only difference that it works with only formulated condition. Here we have a syntax that uses formulated condition, that is inner join. Here we have a query. You can use this query practically by using Apex software. But what is the difference between natural join and inner join? Both are looking similar, but difference is that natural joins uses the same attribute name and data type, but inner join uses own classes for explicitly data. Then natural join will be all column must be matched with a data must be matched as a common column. But in inner join, only the attribute must be saved, but it also returns the duplicate data, duplicate columns from the resultant table. Here we have a syntax that natural join can use this syntax. Select all columns from department table 1 and apply a natural join from table 2. Then it will retrieve. But syntax of inner join is different. That select all from table 1, then apply an inner join clause formulated expression on a table 2 and apply on condition on class on a table 1 that must be equivalent of table data 1 must be equivalent to table 2. Means table 1 data that is parent table and table 2 data is child table. So table 1 exists primary key, but table 2 exists this foreign key data. So that must be made, then it will return the data on the basis of their primary to foreign key concept. This is conclusion. If you display the data from the multiple table, how to display? You can display the data from multiple tables by using the joining condition. There are several types of joining condition: natural join, inner join, outer join, and self join. We will discuss outer and self join in the next lecture. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask through this email address.